responding to this comment right here on the Kendall Jenner look. You guys asked what my lip combo is, so I'm going to show you what it is right now. So taking a little concealer, I like to blank out the sides of my lips so my lip shape will be more of a V shape. I just prefer that. I think it's more youthful. Now just set those areas, and that's going to prevent your lipstick and lip liner from bleeding. Now I'm taking this Milani lip liner in 09. This is how it looks swatched. So now I'm just defining my Cupid's bow and overlining a little bit. It's just such a pretty color. You can actually just wear this alone and not add lipstick to it. It looks good on literally everyone. So this is the lipstick I used. It is called Sultry Move. It's a Powder Kiss lipstick. So it's not like super matte, but it just gives you like a pillowy look. That's the best way I can describe it. Here's a little swatch. So I just swiped it on the lip, and do you see how that it just gives like such a soft look? And I usually have really crusty lips, and this does not accentuate it. So I'm gonna do the top. Like, it just gives you the perfect pout.